Okay, dears, this is a continuation of session 1 workbook. Okay, in course book we have seen the lesson. Take this book and take your pencil in your hand, and I'm going to say the answers. What are the things we have learned from this? Only you have to write the answer, not all the questions. Okay, what are the questions I'm going to say? That only you have to answer. Rest of the questions you will leave. Next week you will continue and write fully. Okay, take this book. So this is take page number 4, visual cue question. This is the first exercise. Connect each device to its name and use. So you have to see the picture, you have to connect to the name and as well as it use. For example, see the first one is CPU. Here where is the CPU? This is a CPU. So CPU, what is the work of the CPU? It is processing. So like that you have to match. Just like you have to match. So this page, all the questions you can able to write because these are all the parts. So we have learned about the parts. Okay. So second one is mouse. So mouse. Where is a mouse? Here. Very good. So mouse is a what? See this side. What is the answer? It comes. It is a pointing device. It helps to select or point the device. Okay, so you have to match like this. Okay, in pencil don't use a pen, use only the pencil to write in your workbook. Third one is printer. So where is a printer? See this picture, this is a printer. So printer, what is the use of this printer? It prints on the paper. It is an output device. It can able to give a print on paper. So you have to match like this. Okay, and then monitor. Next one is monitor. Where is the monitor? Here is the monitor. You have to match this and see what is the use. Monitor is used to show result. Okay, this is an output device. It helps to show the results. And then last one is keyboard. Keyboard. So keyboard, where is the keyboard? Here keyboard is used to type. So you have to match like this. So page number 4, are you all clear about what are the devices and what is the uses? Okay, so clear? Okay, yes. Next, what if I'm dash out the things, you don't need to write. Okay, what are the questions I'm telling? No, that only you have to note down the answers. Okay, so true or false? First one, a computer can do multiple works. So computer can do multiple works. It can do not only one things, it can do multiple means many. Okay, many things like watching movies, playing games, many things. So it is a true. Okay, second one is monitor is a output device. So monitor is a output device. No, it shows a result to us. So it is a output device. So it is a true. Okay, next third one, you cannot solve numerical problems using a computer. So next, you cannot solve numerical problems using a computer. So in this question, they are telling it cannot do numerical problems. No, it can do. So it is a false. Third one, and then not a fourth one, fifth one. Okay, computer are used only in banks and schools. Computer only using in banks or schools? No, it can use in worldwide, like banks, hospitals, in many places, government offices. So it is not only used in banks and schools. It works in many places. So it is false. So first one, second one is true, and third one, fifth one is false. Next, choose Which of the following is not an input device? From this option, you have to see whether it is not an input device. So joystick, see the first option is joystick. So joystick is an input device. Okay, it helps to play games. Mouse is a input device. Keyboard is also a input device. So this one, printer is a output device. So this is the answer. Okay, and then monitor is a second one is dash device. It is a input device or output device or IPO device. It is a output device. Okay, wow. And then third one, the most commonly used input device today is dash. So nowadays very commonly we are using input devices. Definitely it is a keyboard. Okay, keyboard and mouse, but more usage is keyboard only because we are typing letters. No, so the most commonly used input device is keyboard. And then fourth one, computer works under dash cycle. This only we are detailedly seen in this class. What is the cycle? IPO cycle. So okay, so 2 pages are clear. If I am saying and explaining itself, you will write. And then next page, match, fill-ups and one-word substitution. So for in match, second one, processing devices. Processing means what is the usage of processor? It makes an input into output. That is the work of the process. So changes input into output. And then printer. Printer is a output device. And then CPU means CPU is a central processing unit. It is the heart of the computer. It is the brain of the computer. I told you, no. Okay. And then hardware means physical parts of the computer. So clear? Match. So processing means it makes the input into output. Printer means it is a output device. So CPU means central processing unit. Hardware is physical parts. So moving to full app, CPU is a dash device. CPU is a dash device. It is a processing device. And then fourth one, dash is the heart of the computer, and this is where all the computing is done. So CPU is the heart of the computer. And then fifth one, dash is used to enter information into the computer, which is keyboard. Very good, keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. And then processing, PROCESSING, processing. Okay, one word substitution, second one and fourth one only, letters, numbers and symbols found on keyboard. Letters, numbers, symbols, these are all called as what? Keys. Okay, and then this input device allows the user to move the pointer on the screen. So this input device is used to move the pointer, means like one arrow mark in the computer. No, that is a pointer. So it is pointer denotes what is the name of the devices? Mouse. So mouse, in page number 4 also we have seen mouse is a pointing device. It points, it selects. Okay. And then own sentences, not only I have to write in your own, you can write. Second one and fourth one is printer and computer. So I will write a printer is the input output device and computer is the electronic machine. Okay, clear? Next, question answers, 3 question answers. Okay, you have to write a 3 question answers. Second one and fourth one will be I will show and written in the next session. So what are the uses of computer, and name the different parts and what are the advantages. So uses means we can write letters, we can draw and color pictures, we can solve numerical problems. You can write any other points available in our course book. Name the different parts of a computer is, what are the parts? Keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, printer, like that. Okay. And then what are the advantages of a computer? Means it doesn't get tired, it doesn't make mistake, it doesn't forget. Okay. So clear that these are the things you have to write in your workbook. If you have any doubt in that video, means I have typed and sent you in picture format also. Visual cue question, page number 4. This is the answer you have to match. Okay, page number 4. And this is page number 5. I have typed true or false and choose. Okay. If you have any doubt in video, means you have to any not clear in letters, means you see this picture and write in your workbook. Okay. If you have any doubt, means please ask me. And then page number 6, match and fill-ups and one-word substitution. Okay, not all the questions, don't confuse. What are the things we have learned in this lesson? That question only I have written. Rest of the questions will be written in the next class. Okay. So this is match, fill-ups and one-word substitution. And page number 7, own sentences. Okay. And then last page number 8, question answers. It is very very important. You have to study these 3 questions. Okay. You have a clear like board. You can see and write from this picture. With that video, I will send this pictures also. With that picture, you can able to write easily. Okay. What are the uses? And third question, name the different parts. And fourth question, what are the advantages? So clear? Okay dears. Thank you.